Hi everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin protein balls. So this is the perfect healthy snack for fall, and they are so delicious and a great way to use up your pumpkin puree. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. Alright, so the first thing we want is 1 cup of quick oats. We're just going to mix these all really quickly together in a bowl. We're just going to allow them to set in the fridge and then they're ready to go. So this is a perfect meal prep item as well. So 1 cup of quick oats, 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder, about a 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder, 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 cup of nut butter, so I'm using 1/2 cup of peanut butter, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Now mix it all together. Just gonna give that a really nice mix. It should be a pretty thick consistency. We just wanna make sure that all the protein powder is really well mixed into this. That is looking perfect. This nice thick consistency. Right, now I'm gonna roll my sleeves up. I'm gonna shape this into about 12 balls. So I'm just gonna grab small little amounts like this. Just roll it in your hands really quick. It's so fast and easy. This is also very fun to do. And look at that, perfect. I'm gonna show one more. Just grab a small amount like this, roll it up. Beautiful. All right, make sure you keep watching this video. My husband is about to give us a very entertaining taste test on these pumpkin protein balls, so keep watching for that.
Taste test time. Smells good.
It smells like fall. You like them?
Very nice.
Tastes like pumpkin spice.
Very, very good. Oh, no!
Thank you so much for watching another one of my fall recipes, which are these pumpkin protein balls. I hope you guys loved this video. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.